So, what do I do? Who am I? I'm a Mustang guy. I'm a truck driver. Like doing car stuff, obviously. Just doing anything really. Not really a mechanic type of guy, but driving. I'm sitting here waiting to go to a meet, so I got some time. But just doing normal stuff, man. But that's it. What do I drive? I drive a Mustang, and I have a Maxima at the house with my wife, Nikki. So we just kind of like to doing stuff, chilling. Whatever we got at the house to do stuff that's car related, it's always a good time. And yeah. Anyway, we'll check back in. Maybe I'm gonna do a little car introduction and then go from there. Yep. So this is it. Mustang 17 Mustang GT. 5 up. Sitting on rims, 20-inch rims, Curva Concepts. Nice little meaty tire on the back. Nothing special, ruby red. No real miles, got a little exhaust on the back, but cool little car. Nice little driving car. It's dirty. It's Seattle. It's kind of what you get, man, Like 3 months, 4 or 5 months out the year. Kind of like this all the time. Get ready for this meet later on. Got about an hour or so. Probably get a coffee, Starbucks. And yeah, gonna hang out. See how it goes. Talk to you guys later.
Right. Fuck the Dutch slave trade. Fuck yeah, I was boy when I'm just trying to maintain. Tennessee, I felt like Mr. Wendy, nigga. But ain't nobody standing out there with no Richie. Obligated, surrounded when you were off the headed. Left the bag in the dope and they forgot.
ISF.
Hey, just sign up and then you get a free picture. Really? Yeah. Every Friday it's a free Fry Friday. What we gotta do is
Not bad. Have a good time. Whole back parking lot. Anyway, just out here having fun. Not bad. Bye.